Okay, bloody hell. Why you? I will cut your علاقات.
Who is speaking? Who is speaking?
I speaking Somali government and I will cut your علاقات. Oh,
Why, brother? Why, brother?
Because why you allow your country Musabihi?
Who's Musabihi?
Musabihi here and you know Musabihi?
No. Wrong country.
There's no because you are Guinea.
No. We are Guinea-Bissau.
You have another Guinea?
Yes, we are Guinea-Conakry. We have Guinea-Bissau.
Oh my God. Sorry. You're not Musabihi not there?
No. Musabihi not there.
No coming in Guinea?
No.
You sure?
No, brother. Yes.
One man like me is coming there?
No one coming there.
Somali like me.
No. We know Somalia.
Very tall, here and.
Brother, we know Somalia. No Musabihi there.
No Musabihi there.
Yes.
Okay, I will back to you. علاقات. Sorry.
Thank you very much.
علاقات 24 hours cut, but again, what happened? You have another. You have any contact?
Yeah.
Another Guinea?
Yeah. Call Guinea Conakry.
And you what? You Guinea-Bissau?
Guinea-Bissau.
Okay. وريا إلى عود معها كمان حين كوتشر معها هو حين كوتشر كيني بسدة تشيركة وشر تدولي قاعد تاسعت هبار كل تاسعت تموسبي حتى يقول مت مسكين هذا هو بسدة عندها كوتشر هسا ما يقول ويا بسد يا كيني بسد يا كوا والغلطان تاي وكوا وشر اسكوت أنا هذا إيش كده أنا هذا halka su'aal ka waxaa gini new baba gini in shalayso hello you gini you are bloody hell new baba gini I know you why you Musabihi there
Who is speaking?
Hello.
Yes, who is speaking?
You are new baba gini?
Yes, we are new baba Guinea.
Why Musabihi there? I cut your علاقات. Now I cut your علاقات.
Who is cutting my علاقات?
In Somali government.
What happened?
Because Musabihi there.
No. No one is here.
You are African. I am African.
No. Sorry, brother. No one is here.
You are not African?
We are African, but no one from Africa here. For we don't have another country. Here.
You're Shakal Africa, but your country not Africa.
Yes, we are nearby.
You're near Australia.
Yes.
You're Shakal. Sorry. No, there's Musabihi.
No.
أنا باعتراف بيستي والله به سؤالتي وربس سؤال يا إلهي يا حكي لك يا وين بايدون تجلس يمكن إمسك صحيح نوكل بيساو نيجي باب قلنا ما حقيني كليه ما حقيني بسم كني تشير ما وروح هم حياة كذا قرمون بريها هذا المنايا سوق Hello. Yeah, you Guinea?
Yes, Guinea.
Bloody hell, you Guinea? How many million?
We are.
You are 10 million?
Yes.
Are you 5 million or 3 million or 10 million?
More than 5 million.
Oh, I know you.
Yeah.
Why? I cut your علاقات.
Why you cut my علاقات?
Because why you allow Musabihi there?
Brother, 30 years we don't have علاقات with you.
Huh?
We don't have علاقات with you for 30 years. You know, 30 years.
You know, African Union when they coming, we are حق علاقات and salam علاقات. You know, also.
Okay. What we can do now?
I know حق another time. No حق. If you come in, you. When they come, the you no hug, no more hug. No more salam.
No.
I can't really hug you.
No.
No more.
No. Don't do that. Don't do that, brother.
No hug.